Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to talk about the sacrum. Yeah, this is an anatomical position of the sacrum. You have to hold like this. This goes behind the back. This is the tailbone over here. So this goes like this. Okay, so now this is the over here runs the median sacral artery in the between. And this is the area. This is the iliacus over here. Then this is over here. Over here is the superior trunk. Over here the muscle attaches the piriformis. Over here is the coccygeus. Then ganglion impar over here at the bottom. Over here is the glomus coccygeum. Then going on the right side, this is basically over here is the L5 over here. This is the S1. L5 S1. Okay. Now over here basically over here is the obturator nerve. Over here is the psoas major. In between, this is called the triangle of Marcel. Over here is the obturator nerve, the iliotibial artery, and the lumbosacral trunk. Over here, this goes three ways. This is the lateral mass, the medial limb of pelvic mesocolon, pelvic sacral foramina with ventral rami of S1 to S4 nerves. These holes over here, this one. Okay, now we go to posterior aspect of the sacrum. Okay. Now the posterior aspect, this is diffuse laminae over here. Then dorsal sacral foramina, the lateral, over here is the lateral crest with transverse tubercles, the intermediate sacral crest with articular tubercles, median sacral crest with the spinous tubercles, inferior lateral angle over here, the filium terminale, the superior articular process, interosseous and dorsal sacroiliac ligaments join here, erector spinae over here, the multifidus, the articular surface, gluteus maximus, the sacral conure, then over here is the sacral hiatus. Okay, so this is all about the sacrum. So that's it for today guys. If you love the video, do leave a like and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the bell icon to never miss a video from That Physio Teacher. Thank you, stay healthy, stay safe. Sayonara.